We are covering reading comprehension pacing for the AFOQT. The official time limit for the paper version of the test is 38 minutes to answer 25 questions, which averages out to 91 seconds per question. However, some electronic versions of the test may have a shorter time limit of 22 or 24 minutes, drastically reducing your per-item time. Regardless of the format, time management is your most critical skill in this section. A key strategy is to adopt a two-tier approach to each passage. First, perform a quick skim of the questions, then read the passage to get the main idea. For questions that ask for specific details explicitly stated in the text, you should aim to find the answer and move on in about 60 seconds. These are your surface-level questions. For questions requiring you to make an inference, understand the author's intent, or draw a conclusion, you'll need to budget more time. Perhaps up to 120 seconds. These deep read questions demand a more thorough understanding of the text. The exam will test you on your ability to not just read, but to analyze information critically under pressure. A common trap is getting stuck on a single difficult question, letting the clock run down while you search for the perfect answer. This is a critical error because the AFOQT has no penalty for incorrect answers. A wrong answer is worth the same as a blank one. So you must answer every question. Never leave a bubble blank. This brings us to our memorable mental shortcut, the 90-second shove. If you find yourself wrestling with a question for more than 90 seconds, give it the shove. Make your most educated guess, bubble it in, and move on immediately. You can make a small mark in your test booklet to revisit it later if you have extra time. But you must not get bogged down. Another exam trap is selecting an answer choice that is a true statement on its own, but doesn't actually answer the question being asked. Always reread the question before finalizing your answer to ensure it directly addresses what is being asked, based only on the information given in the passage. Mastering this pacing strategy, banking time on easier questions to spend on harder ones, and using the 90-second shove is essential for maximizing your score on the AFOQT Reading Comprehension subtest. For free practice questions, AI-powered explanations, and more exam prep tools, visit openexamprep.com. That's openexamprep, all one word, .com.